Welcome to our channel. Today we're revealing the secrets to landing a job at Amazon. So, if you've always dreamed of working for one of the biggest companies in the world, stay tuned for insider tips that can help you get hired. First, start by researching the different positions at Amazon. There are opportunities in various fields, such as technology, operations, and customer service. Find the one that matches your skills and interests the most. Once you've identified the position you want, tailor your resume and cover letter to showcase your relevant experience and qualifications. Be sure to highlight any previous work in similar roles or industries. Next, focus on developing your skills. Amazon values candidates who are adaptable and willing to learn. Take advantage of online courses and certifications to enhance your technical abilities. Networking is key. Connect with current or former Amazon employees on professional platforms like LinkedIn. They can provide insights about the company culture and potential job openings. When applying, make sure to complete the entire application process accurately and thoroughly. Attention to detail is vital. Double-check your information, and be aware of any additional tests or assessments that may be required. If you're selected for an interview, preparation is crucial. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's leadership principles, as they are often referred to during interviews. Showcase how your values align with the company's. During the interview, demonstrate your problem-solving abilities and ability to work in a fast-paced environment. Provide concrete examples that highlight your accomplishments and how you can contribute to Amazon's success. Finally, follow up with a thank you email or note to express your appreciation to the interviewer. It shows professionalism and can leave a positive impression. Remember, landing a job at Amazon may require persistence and patience. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Keep refining your skills, networking, and applying for suitable positions. Thanks for watching our video. If you found these insider tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Good luck on your journey to landing a job at Amazon.